My name is Riaan Maree and I'm the Sales Manager for Pinnace Welding and Safety. Pinnace Welding and Safety supplies a wide range of welding and PPE products to various sectors of the market, from DIY to industrial and even to the food industry. We are one of the leading PPE suppliers in South Africa, alongside some of the bigger names. Our range consists of footwear, workwear, hand protection, head protection, and also on all your on-site safety needs. Yeah, so we've recently launched a new range called our outdoor range. Again, it's footwear, trousers, shirts, and also soft shell jackets. Our boots is a non-steel toe boot in that range, very durable but also comfortable on the feet. We've got a technical trouser, for instance, which is a 260 GSM 6535 polycotton canvas material. It's got 7 utility pockets, specially made for the craftsman, but also for hunting. And then we'll also have a soft shell jacket on display, one for corporate and then one for on-site use. So for any further information, please visit us at the AO show at Hall 3, stand B9. All our friendly staff will be there. We also have a lounge, so please come and visit us, have a cup of coffee with us, and let's do some business.